Lucy, why are you eating seaweed? You're a dog. You're not going to try to swim to China again, are you? Hi everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome to my channel, Natural Born Prepper. Today I'm coming to you from one of the most southern points on Vancouver Island. If you look over my shoulder, those mountains in the distance, that is the United States of America, and just over those mountains is Seattle, Washington. So I've got some really exciting news today. After completing months of work, I finally been able to complete those 85 or so tests on prepping and homesteading that I promised you. And guess what? From all that, I created the Ultimate Prepper Challenge. I've taken everything I learned while creating these 85 different prepping tests, and I combined them all into 50 of the most difficult questions designed to test your prepping knowledge and skills. But that's not the best part. The best part is you can take all of these tests, all 85 of these tests, for free, just for signing up and registering with preppingcommunities.com. But the real question I have for you is, can you pass this prepper test? Most people can't. On top of that, I've also created quick study guides for all of the prepping tests. Use the quick study guide to learn about all the different topics in prepping and homesteading, or go to one of the many different channels and websites we recommend on preppingcommunities.com to direct you to who we think the experts are in those prepping areas. So if you think you've got what it takes, head over to preppingcommunities.com now. Take the ultimate test and challenge yourself. I know most people can't pass this test, but can you? Good luck, Natural Born Prepper, out.
Lucy. Lucy. Hey, come here. Lucy. Oh, good girl. You ready to head back? Okay, let's go.